This is one of those desserts that you only saw in the 1970s at potlucks. Cherry coffee cake with that gooey topping. Are you ready? Let's go. 1 cup, 2 sticks of softened butter, 1 3/4 cups of granulated sugar. Cream those together until it's soft and fluffy. Like that. 4 large eggs. Half a teaspoon of almond extract. 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Beat that all up until it's combined. Like that. In a different bowl, you need 3 cups of all-purpose flour. To the flour, you need to add a half a teaspoon of salt, 1 1/2 teaspoons of baking powder. Whisk all that together. Now this recipe doesn't say to mix the dry ingredients separately, but that banana bread recipe I made the other day also said the same thing. And when I baked the banana bread, there was a little vein of like salt that had not mixed in with the rest of the batter. So I'm mixing this dry ingredients separately from the wet ingredients, and then I'll add them together. Add the dry ingredients to the wet ingredients. I'm just going to do it a little bit at a time. Do it however you think is best. Okay, I've got mine all mixed together like that, and it says that you need to take 1 cup of the dough and put it aside. I'm going to spray this so it won't stick to the inside. I'll just spray it with a little bit of this oil. Says you need a cup of it. Man, that's heavy. That's a cup. Prepare a 10 by 15 jelly roll pan. I always use that Pam spray that's got the flour in it. So my pan is prepared. It says to put this dough evenly into this pan. So I'm gonna just do it a little at a time because it's thick. I washed my hands and I put some of that oil on them, and I'm just gonna pat it out like this. Do it however you think is best. This is how I think it's best. Pour 1 can of cherry pie filling on the top evenly. Like that. And now it says to take tablespoons of this dough and dot it over the top. Like that. It's in the oven. Bake at 350 for 35 to 38 minutes. While the cake is baking, I'm going to go ahead and make the icing. It calls for 3 teaspoons of milk, which is 1 tablespoon. And 3/4 cup of powdered sugar. Give that a mix. Mine's not completely white because I don't know what was wrong with me. It was like I was on autopilot and I put just a dash of vanilla in there. So it's not completely white. Oops. This recipe says to put it down inside of a little plastic bag and snip the end off. I'm not gonna do that. I'm just gonna go like this and drizzle it all over the cake when it comes out and when it's cool. Isn't it pretty? It's been cooling on my counter for a couple hours now. So I have the icing and I had to heat it up in the microwave for about 15 seconds to get it so I can drizzle it. So I'm just gonna drizzle this on top. It's really pretty. Isn't it pretty? Okay, give it a taste. It's really tasty. The dough is very soft. I thought it would be hard, but it's not. I'll take a bite from this side where there's more dough and less of the cherries. Mmm, that's really good. Cherry coffee cake. Make that! Yum! As always, you can find the full recipe pinned in the comments or in the video description.